Hey everyone, today we discuss about how to install speech recognition package in Linux. So here I am using Ubuntu. So first of all we have to open my PyCharm. PyCharm is here and let's just open. So here it open. So now open here's terminal option. So open your terminal and now you have to open Python speech recognition package. So here it is. So in first, so here you do copy and now open my PyCharm. So here I want to paste it. Now I am using Python version 3. So here I am using 3 pip 3 and let's enter. Waiting, collecting, and here successfully installed speech recognition package. So that's it.